This is our first J series on the dyno. And on top it's gonna be nitrous too, so this is gonna be crazy. Yes, you guys have been asking for a J series.
J32a2.
Ew, who put the J series on the dyno?
Yo, why you let a J series tune here, bro?
Stock J series, 125 shot. Anybody ever tell you K is the way?
Yeah, and I swap K for a J.
You love yourself a little nitrous, huh?
Yeah, I ain't blowing nothing up over here, right?
Yo, when that nitrous come on, how it kick on? Show me how it kick. You guys wanted J series content. This is some J series content. I don't know how this came about, but someone stopped by my shop today and they have a J series EG hatch that they want to put on a dyno. So I guess he went to some no prep event in Florida and the guys down there don't believe that he has a stock engine, stock transmission. So he's here today. We're gonna put the car on a dyno. Claims he has a stock J series engine, stock transmission. So he's gonna do a pull here, all motor, and then he's gonna hit it with some nitrous. So I'm kind of excited. I figured I'd record this. He wants this video out so he can show everybody that he has a stock J series. Mind you, I don't know him. I think I just follow him on social media. I'm gonna put the car here today on the dyno. We're gonna see how much power it makes. All you J series lovers, drop in the comments how much power should a stock J series potentially make. I don't know anything about J series. You guys probably know a lot more than me, but we're gonna put his car on a dyno, see what it makes all motor. I don't know how big of a shot he has. I'm gonna introduce him. We're gonna ask him like what's done to his car, how big of a shot. Hopefully this video proves to everybody else what he's been saying. Let's see if he has a stock engine. So here is the J series hatch. You just came from a no prep event, correct, in Florida?
Oh, yeah. Yes,
what's your
sir.
name and where are you from?
Benny Rodriguez, that's the Mamba. We came all the way down from Florida.
And
We're
this-
from
Massachusetts?
Yeah.
So this is supposed to be a stock J series engine.
It is.
What car this came out of?
Acura CO Type S 2003.
So no cams, no head package.
No cams, no injectors, no throttle body.
It's completely stock.
So what's done to the car besides just a J series stock transmission? What transmission's in here?
stock transmission.
Stock J series transmission?
Yes,
Just a
sir.
clutch.
And then what everybody wants to know, even me, how big of a nitrous shot?
125.
So 125 shot.
We can make sure.
No, we'll see on the dyno.
You know.
I don't know anything about J series. How much power is it supposed to make stock?
Stock with the specs, I check in Google, 260.
260 all motor.
In the
Okay.
original car.
And then obviously the car is tuned. How much does it make with spray?
Tune?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not tuned.
Oh, it's not tuned.
No.
Oh, so you guys don't even know how much power.
No.
Stock J series, 125 shot. Drop in the comments how much power do you think? How much power do you think it makes?
I think 360.
360. That's a good number.
Around there.
I won't ask him what he weighs, what the car weighs, because he races the car in the street. But he did tell me that the car is on 93 pump gas. So
It is. We can check everything.
no, I
This
believe the
guy-
dyno numbers will tell.
I came here because you guys trust in this guy.
Basically, he came here today because you guys trust me. Like I told you guys, I've never seen this car before. I only seen it on the internet. We're gonna find out how much power it makes, so that way when he does try to get a race, because he races this car a lot in the street and the track, he just came from no prep event. He wants to just prove to you guys that this is a complete stock engine car, stock transmission with 125 shot of nitrous. So let's see what it makes. Yeah, what do you gotta say for the people? You was over here talking shit today.
It's just, you know, we go to Florida, we just have fun, and people start arguing about the car. He's got cam, computer, and bunch of shit. Complete stuff. Look at PVC pipe.
PVC pipe.
You know,
Yo, he's not even lying.
you know-
And there goes the nitrous added in right there.
Look the regulator, Chinese regulator.
Look at sit tight.
This
sit
is
tight,
a
sit
budget
tight.
build. How much money do you think you got in here?
Bro, like complete the car with the wrap.
1500.
Look at the wheels. The wheels are more expensive than the
Than the whole car?
The whole car. Look at that.
I like this. Got the cluster zip tied, no dash. Got a cage for safety, nitrous bottle. The car looks good. I like the wrap on the top. And you said stock computer?
Stock computer, you can see it.
Yeah,
People
he
were
does.
fighting with us in
got
Florida.
the stock wiring
that's a
in
cheap
here.
Computer.
There's no way you can do a reflash on it.
Okay.
Because sometimes you can do a reflash on some specific cars.
Some models.
We cannot be able to do that.
So this is basically a
Friendly
street
budget.
This is a street budget car,
Yes.
pretty much. I like this. I'm gonna strap it to the dyno, see what it makes. Stock engine, J series for the guys that are out there that love the J series content. So let's strap it up, see what it makes. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I am kind of excited. He says it's gonna make 260 with a 125 shot, so it should put it in somewhere in the ballpark of like 400 horsepower on a nitrous shot. It's probably gonna come on insane. For you J series lovers, I better see you guys in the comments right now.
Yes, you guys have been asking for a J series. We don't own it, but it's here, so that's all that really matters.
So you guys get excited. But before we get this dyno video started, we kind of want to show you guys something real quick. We got the high mileage Integra Type R back from paint. I want to show it to you guys because it does not look like the same car. All right, I want to give a huge shout out to Mayhem Autoworks. Thank you. He painted the Integra Type R. This thing looks like a brand new car all over with just a shit ton of miles.
So we didn't really paint the whole car because this car was pretty much original paint. So what we ended up doing was, you guys remember I had a little spot on the hood. I didn't want to replace the hood because it's called all matching VIN numbers too.
And it still is all matching VIN numbers.
Yes, we did not replace it. We just fixed the hood. As you can see, there's no more gap here anymore. The hood's fixed. You can't really tell it was damaged before. Repainted the front bumper, repainted the front lip, fixed the fender, painted the fender.
And then you guys see it, we put a set of 16-inch Rega Masters on here. The old wheels were beat. We did a brand new set of suspension. So we did wheels, tires, suspension. I popped the hood, I did a valve cover, stock air box, and that's pretty much it. The paint looks so good on here right
Mind
now.
you, the car is not complete yet. We just put the car together. The car's gonna go off the detail master. You're gonna get a full paint correction, ceramic coating, full interior detail, engine bay detail, and this car's gonna be perfect after it's done.
You guys remember how this car looked like before. It was pretty rough. Remember it had like something wrong with the fender here. Shout out to Mayhem, we fixed all this. Painted the side of the car, put new decals on here, Integra Type R decals. It looks so, so good.
Decals, new emblems, the rear decal back here. Mind you, this is just
the rubber or the glue from when we took off the emblem. Put a brand new Acura badge back here. It's coming along. It's coming along really, really nice.
And the interior, I don't know if I told you guys before, I sourced a full interior for this car. Door panels, seats, carpet, trunk mat, cargo cover, like a fresh set. And I think this car's gonna be perfect when it's done.
The new emblems on here just make the car look so good, especially with the new wheels, Rega Masters. I'm gonna show you guys the bay, pop the hood. Interior, honestly, it's not bad anymore. New door panels, the seats are fresh. We did the armrest over. It actually looks really, really nice. Engine bay.
New valve cover, new intake tube, OEM, everything back to factory. I'm still sourcing a stock header for the car. In the meantime, this will do. It'll clean up really, really nice. I'm gonna probably get this powder coated over. But other than that, she's clean. Look at the engine though. For 200K, look, there's not a drop of oil on the
Turn
block.
this light on.
This is before it's detailed. Look, there's not a drop of oil.
So I want you guys to take a really good look at the car right now and then look at it after Detail Masters does his work on here. Remember, you're gonna get the whole car inside, outside done. It's gonna be insane. The car is looking really, really good with the new paint, new wheels and tires, suspension. We're gonna lower the car once it comes back, but it's still a one owner, matching VIN number, Integra Type R, that's just been painted, mostly painted.
And we didn't case swap the car. For all you B-Series lover, I left the car alone. I didn't want to ruin it. Even though it has a high mileage on the car, it's all original. You know, yeah, it's painted on one side, but all matching VIN number, all factory interior, factory engine bay. I left the car alone.
Let's get into the J Series action, man. I'm excited. Yo, dude, you seen what's outside?
Yo, why you let a J Series tune here, bro?
Yo, you seen what's outside? J Series.
Bro, we don't do those over here, bro. We all about K, bro. You was bugging right now.
Yo, when that nitrous come on, how it kick on?
Oh my God.
How it kick on? Show
Oh my
me.
God.
Show me how it kick.
You're gonna see.
Mind you, I think this is our first J-Series on the dyno, and on top it's gonna be nitrous too, so this is gonna be crazy.
Honestly, it sounds stock. There's no cams, doesn't idle nothing crazy. It's pretty quiet. So they're warming the bottle up right now. Remember, first pull or first two pulls are gonna be all motor, and then I'll let you guys know when he's gonna hit it with the spray, that way you guys can hear it for. I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna hear it. We got the car all strapped up on the dyno. Remember, Full stock J series. Honestly, I can't wait to see what it's gonna do. This might or might not make me love J series, but I don't know yet. We're gonna find out. Anybody ever tell you K is the way?
Yes.
K is the way, right?
Yeah, and I swap K for a J.
Oh. And ain't nobody tell you K is the way?
Yeah.
You in the wrong place right now. K series over here. Yo,
Look at this shit. Look at this shit. $1,000.
show me something, all right? I want you to show me something today.
10-2.
It went 10-2?
Yeah, completely stuck.
This thing went 10-2.
Completely stuck.
10-2.
Completely stuck. And nobody believe it.
I'm gonna need you to show me today on the dyno. 10-2, that's fast. That's a fast street car.
Listen, I'm trying to get
The most
the most
power
that I can.
and low time and a stock J.
Yeah.
I want to tell you guys something also. I've never seen this car before. It's my first time meeting them too as well. The car, like, it's not even cut like the way we cut cars too. It's pretty like solid for, yeah, the end of the quarter panels are cut and the doors are cut, but other than that, the car looks solid. It's still like complete. There's no holes in the door.
I waited one time without me with the bottle, helmet, and everything in it. It's gonna be 1900.
1900 with you or without
No,
you?
without.
Without
with
you.
me, it's gonna be 21.
So with you, 21.
And without me, to 19.
So 2,100 pounds with him in it. This car went 10-2.
This is our first time meeting them, first time seeing the car. The car has a windshield. I can tell you the car is heavy. It has a windshield in it. It has a factory harness still in the car. Behind the dash is not cut. It still has a factory roof on the car. It has steel doors that are cut, which is still heavier than a carbon or fiberglass door. Inside the car over here is not cut. So yeah, the car still has a lot of weight to it. And on top of it, the J series is pretty heavy.
All right, let's get to the action. Can't wait. I'm really looking forward to seeing how much power it's gonna make. So your guess is roughly 260 all motor?
Yeah.
All right.
I mean,
It's automatic, so probably less.
Probably less?
Probably less.
What do you think? How much do you think? 250? Okay. So 260, 250 is a rough ballpark of how much it's gonna make. They think it's gonna make all motor. We're gonna see.
Ew, who put the J series on the dyno?
Here we go. First pull, all motor. See how much he made all motor. 273.
God damn.
You said 260. You lied.
It's the weather. It's the weather.
It's the weather.
It's cold.
273. Dude, that's yo.
Complete stock.
For a stock J series, no ECU, 273.
93 pump pass.
273 horsepower. Yo, dude, we might need to go J series.
Nah, I'm staying K.
Yo, you heard that?
Yeah, I ain't blowing nothing up over here, right?
I'm gonna need to shut it down right now.
273 horsepower. It's a stock motor car.
That sound like a damn jet, bro. The G5, baby.
Just one more time. What motor is in here?
J32a2.
And what car does it come out of?
Acura CL Type S.
Bone
2003.
stock.
Bone stock.
I respect that. Bone stock engine transmission. You guys seen it? 273. Are you guys make another hit on motor? Or that's it.
Oh no, no. That's one model. We're gonna do a nitrous.
You want to do nitrous? All right. That surprised you. I could tell. You thought it was gonna make 260. You said it was gonna make 250.
You know.
My boy sandbagged.
In 2005. You know.
273. You're right. The weather did play a big part. It's pretty cold out right now. The weather probably. You probably in the summertime it'd probably make 260.
Like I said, okay, listen. Acura CL Type S came NA and came supercharged with the same ECU. I studied how she adjusts the fuel timing by herself. So I think, okay, if I spray it, she's going to fix all that. You see? And then I'm trying it, and it's working.
Alright, so what's you guys' horsepower guess is gonna make on nitrous? So you figure make 270 with a $120 shot. It's gonna put you somewhere, I think, in the fours.
You think?
I think so. I think in the fours. Yeah, I can see you're about to say 3 something, right?
385?
3. Alright, I'm gonna go like 410.
390.
390?
390.
Good guess. UB sandbag, it's probably gonna make like 450. Oh, my bad, we had the wrong jet in here. We're gonna find out about to spray it right now. You love yourself a little nitrous, huh? I'm not even gonna lie. Oh, let me see that one more time. This is as budget as it gets. Stock wiring harness, the pipe is crazy, especially the eBay regulator. I also forgot to add in this video that it is a wet shot of nitrous. It's not a dry shot nitrous. I know that makes a big difference. All right, so 273 all motor. Pause the video right now, drop in the comments how much power he's gonna make on 125 shots. So about to hit it right now. All right, here we go, boys. I'm super excited to see this. God, that was a nitrous backfire. That thing made 359. 359. That was the craziest nitrous backfire I've ever seen. My heart is on. I thought something happened, but it was nitrous backfire. So they're gonna just check the throttle body, make sure the throttle body is good. But 360 horsepower half pull is insane. All right, guys, look, this is the all motor line right here. And look where the nitrous spikes in. 359 horsepower, not even completing the pull, which is insane. All right, I got bad news. The throttle body is bent. I'm not gonna be able to finish tuning the car. So I don't have a J-Series throttle body here. I can't really help them out. I wish I can, but they are gonna come back for part 2 to the video. But still, nonetheless, 360 horsepower, half of the pull is insane. I think it's like 6,600 RPM. I think the car revs out to 75, 7,800. Shout out to them for stopping by, man. This is crazy.
You're gonna come back.
You're gonna come back for part 2. You need to come back for part 2.
We want to show people that
I wish I had a throttle body here for you to show you, but you're not that far away.
It's completely stock.
So 120 shot of nitrous, 273 all motor, 360 so far at 6,600 RPM.
10-2.
10-2s. We are gonna be back for part 2 to this video when they get back. I don't know when that's gonna be. They are gonna replace the throttle body on the car. They said this motor's been in the car since 2018 as it sits. 10-2 is super impressive. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Shout out to them. I'm a little J-Series believer right now. I'll see you guys in the next video.